It can be hard to admit that at times we may find ourselves wanting not only to manage our own personal life, such as our environment in general, but also that of others. We may find ourselves exerting influence or power over everything that surrounds us or anything that we encounter. In my situation, in regards to that radio interview, overly preparing myself to tell a story of mine, something that I had experienced, shouldn't have been taken with such magnitude in my hand to the point of robbing me away from enjoying this awesome opportunity. With all that being said, I'm wondering, where does the need to control stem from?